In this tutorial, we are going to explore all available graphics templates in Adobe Premiere Pro. Graphics templates are ready-made animated designs such as titles, lower thirds, shapes, and credits. These templates are also called MOGRT files. The best part is you can edit text, color, and size without touching the animation. You can find the graphics template section inside the project panel. If you don't see it, go to the window menu and enable graphics templates. Inside the graphics templates section, you will see some predefined templates. There are two main sections, My Templates and Adobe Templates. Here, you will find several ready-made templates available for use. In Adobe Templates, some templates are free and some are paid. Now, select any template and drag it into the timeline. Let's play the timeline. This is a basic graphics template. To edit the template, select the clip. You can edit it from the Properties panel by selecting the layer. Or you can directly edit the text on the program monitor. Like text, shape, and color. Now let me show you one more example. First, I'll delete this template. Now let's select another template and drag it into the timeline. And this template has a different resolution, so that's why this mismatch warning appears. If you want to keep your current sequence settings, you can choose Keep Existing Settings. But if you want the sequence to match the template, you can choose Change Sequence Settings. In this case, let's go with Change Sequence Settings. Now press the backslash key to fit the entire clip in the timeline. Then press the minus key to zoom out. Now let's play the clip and view the template. This template can be edited only from the Properties panel. Here, you can change text, font family, font style, text color. Just select the text layer and start editing. In the color control section, you can change the colors of the template. In the media replacement section, you can replace images or videos used in the template. Now the image has been changed, so let's undo the action. Below that, you can adjust position, scale, rotation. You can also transform the entire template easily without breaking the animation. So this is how you can explore and use the available graphics templates in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now let me show you how to create a motion graphics template. I have this animation file that we created earlier. When we select only a single video track in the timeline and right-click, the option Export as Motion Graphics Template becomes available. But if we select multiple tracks and then right-click, this option does not appear. This means motion graphics templates work only on a single video track, preparing the clip for export. So first, let's delete the extra track. Now select only one video track. Let's create a shape. drag it to the bottom layer and change its color to pink. Make sure everything is inside one single graphic layer. Now right-click on the clip and select Export as Motion Graphics Template. A new window opens. Here, first you can set the template name. Give it a clear and meaningful name. Next is the destination option. Here you can choose where the template will be saved, local templates folder or a custom location. Now let's move to the compatibility section. The first option warns you if the template uses fonts that are not available in Adobe Fonts. The second option warns you if the template uses effects that are not included with Premiere Pro. These warnings are extremely useful, especially when you share templates with other editors. Keyword section. At the bottom, we have the keyword section. Here you can add keywords. Keywords help you quickly find your template later, especially when you have many templates installed. Export the template. Once everything is set, simply click OK. Premiere Pro now exports your animation as a motion graphics template. Now, let's close all projects. Next, create a new project. And then create a new sequence. Find the template that we just created. Simply drag the template into the timeline. As you can see, the template works perfectly in a new project. And yes, we can edit the text, colors, and other properties as well. This is how you create, export, and use a motion graphics template in Adobe Premiere Pro. Graphics templates allow you to reuse animations, maintain consistency, work faster, and share designs easily. They are extremely useful for titles, lower thirds, intros, and YouTube content.